Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello students, here in this question we have to find out the volume of NaOH where they are provided with the pH value and the concentration and volume of KH2PO4 and the concentration of NaOH. So here we can use the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. According to that, pH is equal to pKa value plus log the concentration of base divided by the concentration of acid. So here in this question, the pH value is given as 6.6 and the pK value for the acid is 6.85 plus log the base is NaOH. Its concentration is 0.2 into its volume we have to find. We are expressing in terms of moles and the concentration of the acid here it is 0.5 and its volume is 50 ml. So here we will get the log. Here we can cancel out this x by 50 as minusing 6.6 from 6.85 we will get as 0. minus 25. So here we will get the x by 50 as 10 raised to minus 0.25 value. From this we will get the x value as 0.5623 into 50, that is equal to 28.11 ml. So here we found out the volume of the NaOH, that is equal to 28.11 ml. So this is our answer. Hope you have understood the solution well. Thank you.